Hi, welcome back to Cooking with the Chef with Chef Paul in the Octagon Restaurant. Today, this month, we are actually featuring one of the dishes that's on our menu, which is a pan-seared shrimp and andouille sausage that has an arugula pesto. So it's sort of a two-part thing I got going here. First, I'm going to show you how to make an arugula pesto. Arugula pesto, Octagon style, is nothing but arugula. Put it into our wonderful Roboku here. We have toasted almonds. Add a little bit of lemon juice. A little salt and pepper. And give that a whirl. While that's spinning up, I'm going to add olive oil. Just enough to give it a nice consistency. And we're done. How easy was that? Let me take some of this. Now that we have our pesto ready to go, we heat up our pan. I'm going to add a little bit of the olive oil. God bless olive oil. Get that nice and hot. So this is an appetizer, so it's not a large portion. So I have 3 medium-sized shrimp. That's popping in my face. Add this to the olive oil. I'm going to add my andouille sausage as well. If you can't find andouille sausage is a nice, it has a bit of a spice but really good flavor. If you can't find andouille, chorizo works. Throw in some diced garlic, some diced shallots. Get all those flavors going together. While that's cooking down, we are once again featuring our wonderful country bread that I'm going to grill again. Rub a little olive oil on that. Get that on the grill. Shrimp's cooking down just fine. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of white wine. Once again, this is a very quick dish. It only takes a few minutes to really cook those shrimp through. Add a tad bit of salt and pepper. We're going to finish off with whole butter. That's where we're going to get our sauce. It's a little bit of scallions for a little color, a little flavor. We cook all that down. You don't want to cook it too much because then your butter will break. So pretty much as soon as the butter melts, turn off your flame, and this is what your finished product should look like. So now I'm going to take my arugula pesto. Just put that on the bottom of the plate here. Make a nice little base. Going to carefully place my shrimp and the sausage and the sauce. And this is our finished product. Enjoy.